Green one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. If you missed the video where I was out kind of stomping around a little bit, I'm going to go over the contents of this bag that I had on that outing. So if you want to go check out that outing first, and then make your way back and check out the bag dump, that'd be fine. So let's jump right into it. So the bag itself is the Maxpedition Jumbo Versipack, which I haven't had out in a long time, which is part of the reason I decided to bring it today. I got my tripod for the handheld, and I've got my extra batteries, which I'm going to break one out now because I'm seeing low battery warning. There we go, full battery. Now I can film, and then I'll just. So basically it's just two extra batteries, and then I have an SD card, 32 gig SD card, in case this SD card gets either full or it stops recording for some reason. I can always swap SD cards. I just keep the whole thing in a tow case. On this outside FAK pouch, which I bought on eBay a long time ago. There's a couple packs of survival food trail mix. I have some ginger drink with honey, hot chocolate, caramel macchiato, another ginger drink, which I haven't even tried yet because I was going to do a video, but I just got stuff always keeps coming up, and then a Starbucks coffee. Alright, on the outside here I've got a container of clean drinking water from home. This top pouch has a Uco Spork. Just threw it in there in case I made a hot drink. I didn't actually bring a stove, so I would have had to have made a fire. The front pouch, I believe, has nothing. No, I've got a write and ready notebook pad. Forgot that was even in there. And then I've just got a bunch of bandages I forgot were in there. So cool. I actually had a little first aid and I didn't realize it. Not that it's much for first aid, but still it's better than nothing, I guess. I'll just leave those in there. Back pouch has nothing. Unclip. I got the case for my camera. Front sleeve has nothing. There's not really much in here. There's a bandana, so I had an additional first aid item. That's about all I have for first aid too, to be honest with you. I don't have a bunch of stuff in here. I had a rain poncho, so I did have a cover element, because I thought I was going to be going down to the falls, so I was going to have that for just keeping the mist off, or try to. One of my fire kits, I got some, my buddy Mike, one of my viewers, sent me these, so I keep them there for emergency. Matches, ferro rod, and a lighter. So pretty easy going fire kit. Plus, you know, I've been looking around and there's lichen all over the place. So I had natural tinder I could have used. I got the Mora Garberg, because, you know, gotta have a knife. Cup for drinking out of, and then I brought the canteen cup with the lid. So if I wanted to make a hot beverage, I could have just done that. And that's it. Really just straightforward, simple, not overly complicated. Made for light going. You know, but I had people around me the whole time, and you know, it wasn't really I wasn't worried, to be honest. And then I'll just packs right back down. And that's it. Just real quick and simple. Well, there we go. Just a quick little simple day pack, outing kit thing, whatever. You know, nothing too overly complicated. Not having a ground cover probably would have sucked, but you know, fortunately I was around a whole bunch of people, so it wasn't an issue. So I'm gonna head back to the car. I might go check out the lake in the other video, so this was a good spot to stop and shoot this, so I'm gonna probably go across the street to the lake, get some footage, and thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.